Good morning, guys. Welcome to the next episode. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I have some wisps here. Yeah, screw the hood. I say good morning, but I've been up since 5 a.m. Went to the gym, got some dunks. Afterwards, some black coffee. Starting to get a little tired, so I just wanted to refuel. Usually have coffee right before the gym or right after, but I just felt like dehydrated and I didn't want it after. Gonna bang out another gym sesh later on today, only because I know that I'm gonna be consuming a lot more food than normal today, especially with the Patriots playing. Go Patriots. Gotta take my multivitamins too. Take my one a day. That's all enough. It's dangerous. Even more dangerous. That gives it like the perfect height. Oh, I'm a mess. And she's okay. I hope. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not cutting that out either. All right, so right now, I am responding to some YouTube comments that I just didn't get a chance to because other people commented when I was at my 9-to-5 job. And also engaging with some of the other channels that I subscribe to and that subscribe to me. Only because I like to and I want to, and I want to feel the people who, I want you guys to know that I really value you engaging with me and leaving comments, leaving likes, and I want us to reciprocate, especially to those who do have, you know, YouTube channels and create content. So I'm watching videos right now and I'm leaving comments. So yeah, I had a mini heart attack over that fall. Normally I'd be hanging out with Lily right now because it's her only real day off this week, but she was sick yesterday and she had something going on with her eye, and I know she needs to sleep, so I'm trying to let her sleep, so I'm downstairs in the kitchen on the laptop. So hope you feel better, babe. Life is good. In the 11th hour, the Celtics tickets sold, baby. So happy. Looking beautiful.
Thanks, babe.
Welcome. She's making herself a pancake.
Multiple.
Or pancakes.
Yeah. I sure am.
And I am pumped for the Super Bowl.
I know. I can't believe the time has finally come.
I know. It's gonna be so amazing. What's going on, guys? Here it is, Super Bowl 52. We're ready to get that W for New England, baby. Sorry, Philadelphia fans, but we're coming for you. I don't think I'm gonna vlog during it. I just wanna be in the moment. I'm coming to realize that more and more with stuff like this, that I'd rather just enjoy the moment instead of film myself enjoying the moment. I don't know. I'll still bring the camera just in case I change my mind. But it just brings up a point. I was listening to Andy Frisella, as I often do, and he was just talking about doing your best isn't good enough. And he's got a point. You can always be better. You can always improve. And your best, oftentimes, unfortunately, doesn't cut it. You could be the best, but if you don't execute, if you don't perform, then it doesn't matter. And take the Super Bowl, for example. So, obviously, biasly speaking here, the Patriots are the best team in the NFL. But on any given Sunday, if they don't execute, they lose. Doesn't matter who they're playing. Doesn't matter if their competition is inferior. If they don't execute, they will lose. And the same thing goes for you, same thing goes for me, same thing goes for life. You can give it your best, but if you're not executing or better than your competition, because like I just said, sometimes your best isn't good enough, then it doesn't matter. Why do you think there's people that are, I don't want to say inferior, but why do you think there's people out there that have less skills than you, making more money than you? Or why do you think that there's people out there with less skills than you, doing more things or doing what you want to be doing? It's because they're executing. Go execute. Go win. Like the Patriots are gonna win, baby. Let's go! Binge eating my sorrows away. Old leftover Halloween candy. Patriots lost to the freaking Eagles, dude. What did I say earlier? It doesn't matter if you're the best. It doesn't matter if you're trying your best. If you don't execute, you don't win. That's the bottom line. It's hard to win when you let up 41 points though. To any team, any game. Let alone the Super Bowl. Defense wins championships. Eagles proved that in the final play, or one of the final plays rather. Feeling pretty down. It was an easy path for us. The Titans, the Jaguars, and the Eagles, which we should have won, in all honesty. But any given Sunday, you know. Still pretty upset about the Patriots' loss. It's affected me all day.
Clearly.
I felt like lonely? I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Like
Oh,
it was weird. Yeah. Weird feeling. I feel like I lost. But we're home now. I feel better, but man, this sucks. My baby's tired. She filmed a new video and edited it yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of her because she did that before the Super Bowl.
Your head.
I know. The struggle. So I gotta go to the gym. Get out of here, string. And then, yeah, just gonna relax tonight. Probably go to bed early.
Mm-hmm.
Like one eye looks like bigger than the other right now because of the way the light's hitting it. Oh, it's so creepy. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? Lily is sleeping in the other room. I'm being very loud. Lily's sleeping in the other room. She has a sinus infection. We found out today. Brought her to the doctors. So I'm letting her sleep. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Really appreciate it. If you found value in this, share it with one friend. subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks so much.